Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the One Belmont Building, and it's a commercial building that's being built just on the outskirts of New Kingston called One Belmont. A lot of the buildings are now being named after the address or the road that they're on. It's a very common practice in Jamaica right now. So we're going to go through some details on the building. Actually, we're going to go through an article, and the article has a lot of information on the building. All right, so let's take a look at One Belmont. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has welcomed the $3.7 billion investment in the One Belmont Corporate Building in New Kingston as a further testament to the growing investor confidence in the country. The project, being executed through partnership between the Cygnus Real Estate Finance and Audrey Holdings Limited, will deliver 79,000 square feet of Class A corporate office space supported by 4 levels of parking. Speaking during the groundbreaking ceremony on December 7, 2021, Prime Minister Holness said that the development is in keeping with government's focus on positioning Kingston as the premier city in the English-speaking Caribbean. We want to be the center of trade, commerce, finance, and to be the place of choice, he noted. The Prime Minister commended the developers for including environmental considerations as part of the project through hurricane-resistant and energy-saving features. The development, located at 1-3 Belmont Road in New Kingston, is seen as a response to the realities of the current work environment, uniting design and technology to create an architectural masterpiece with state-of-the-art features and promote the health, safety, and comfort of those who will utilize the space. It will include rooftop entertainment for corporate events, LED lighting surrounding the building, as well as a host of other unique features. Vice President and Head of Real Estate and Project Finance at Cygnus Group, David Cummins, said that the building will include hurricane impact resistant glass in addition to the post-pandemic features. It's been designed with a suite of technological features such as a touchless elevators, touchless doors, touchless Kohler bathroom fixtures, and an automated infrared camera system for non-intrusive camera checks, he informed. Mr. Cummins said that the financing for the project includes a $2.5 billion construction facility from the National Commercial Bank and a further $650 million in preference shares on top of the equity via Audrey Holdings Limited. The construction is slated to be completed by April 2023. Build Your Dream Construction Limited has been awarded the contract for the works. Alright guys, so that's an update on the project, and you can see that the building is advanced, and we'll keep you guys updated as to the progress of the construction. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.